What's up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another review. Before we get into it, though, make sure you give this video a like. This is the content you're into, and I'm assuming it is since you're watching this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Everything in this video will be linked below. There's also affiliate links down there that help out the channel, but that is totally up to you if you use them or not. So what do we got today? We've got the Spyderco Kapara. Yeah, I've been carrying it for a few weeks now, and I love this thing. It is, in my opinion, a very unique Spyderco. It's a unique knife. This was in the carbon fiber, steel liners. They're milled. Minimally milled G10 back spacer. We got a reversible deep carry wire clip. And yeah, let's get into it. So it's an S30V blade, made in Taichung, Taiwan. I mean, a nice parrot beak Spyderco blade. You know, drop point, I guess. But yeah, this thing, very happy with. Runs on the good old Spyderco compression lock. Action runs on washers. Blade centering's been spot on since I picked it up. Yeah, comes with the nice Spyderco hole. So you can slow roll that blade out. You can thumb flick it out, reverse flick it, you know, whatever you want to do. Action smooth, drop shut. It's a nice size knife. I'm very happy with this one. Hardware, I don't remember. Hardware is probably T8. Is it T8 all around? T8 body. It's not, it doesn't look like a T10. But I'll double check. Oh yeah, it is a T10. All right, T10 pivot. T8 body. You got a lanyard hole. Hardware's not too good. You got two body screws on each side and a non-captive pivot, which is whatever. What's the length of this guy? Stanley? We're talking just shy of 8¼ inches. Blade length of just over 3.5 with a cutting edge of 3.5. So do a size comparison here. Throw it up against a couple other Spydercos. Get the Spyderco Para 3. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. You know, very comparable to the Para 2 in size, but much narrower. which makes it an easier carry. I've never had an issue carrying the Para 3 or PM2, but this one is a little easier on the pocket space, we'll say. Put it up, Benchmade bug up. Oh, hi dog. Benchmade Griptilian in the sheep's foot. Longer than both. A little more cutting edge than the grip. And Kaiser drop bear. And the Kaiser Milita. Oh, fail. So longer than all. Almost grab the blade there. Looking at what the dog's doing. Yeah. Kapara, named after a Australian spider, redback spider or something like that. Yeah, I mean, so got a large men's size glove hand, which is just a normal hand. It's feels great in the hand. Nice little choke up area up here. No jimping back here. No hot spot. The one I guess nitpick that I have, because I like the pocket clip, so it's not that, is this carbon fiber is pretty slick. So now that I have the review done, I might look at getting another scale. It has a little more grip to it. Never had an issue with it, but just a preference. But yeah, I mean, that's basically the video. It's kind of a straightforward. I like it. Find it a recommendable knife. Oh, price. Yeah, let's talk about that. Before we get any further, let's talk about the price, which might change the tune for some people. This knife is going for typically about $260. It goes on sale once in a while. I picked it up on a sale. And the PM2s are going up in price too, so it might be a little pricier than some of the PM2s, but since the PM2 is still a top seller for Spyderco at that price, I'm still going to recommend this one. It's a great knife. The backstory is the reason why I've wanted this one or got this one is because if you didn't watch my unboxing video, I was in Golden, Colorado at the Spyderco outlet store picking up a Yojimbo, but there was a gentleman that was checking out the Kapara next to me. He set it down, I had to pick it up and give it a couple flicks, and I was like, yeah. I want that one too, but couldn't justify it then, so got it down the road. Super happy with it. Great knife. Yeah, that's the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, tell me what your thoughts on the Kapara are. Yeah. all I got. Until next time, thanks for watching.